The greatest illusion we often live by is the belief in tomorrow. We tell ourselves there will always be more time, more chances, more days to begin again. Yet tomorrow is uncertain. It is a dream that may never arrive. The wisdom of the inner path reminds us that life is fragile and fleeting. Every moment matters because it is all we truly hold. The lie of tomorrow costs us growth, peace, and purpose. To awaken is to live today fully, without waiting for another chance that may never come. Tomorrow is promised to no one. We know this truth, yet we live as if we are guaranteed endless days. We delay our dreams, postpone our love, and wait for the right time. But time is never ours to command. The teachings remind us that impermanence is the nature of all things. Every breath is borrowed. Every sunrise is a gift. To live as if tomorrow is certain is to live in illusion. Life is fragile, and no one can predict how many days they will see. This is not meant to bring fear, but clarity. When we understand that tomorrow is not promised, we begin to value today. We stop wasting time on anger, pride, and delay. We forgive more quickly. We act with more courage. We love without hesitation. Living in awareness of impermanence does not take away joy. It multiplies it. It shows us that every moment is precious and cannot be repeated. Many lose years waiting for the perfect day to arrive. But the truth is, the perfect day is always today. Tomorrow may never come, but this moment is here, alive, and waiting for us to use it. To see this truth is to awaken. It shifts our focus from endless waiting to present action. It makes life fuller, because we no longer take a single breath for granted. Tomorrow is promised to no one, but today is already in your hands. That is the true gift. Delay steals opportunities forever. Every time we postpone action, the chance before us begins to fade. Doors close, moments pass, and people move on. Opportunities are alive only for a moment. Once gone, they rarely return in the same way. The teachings remind us that hesitation is one of the greatest thieves of life. We delay because we believe there will always be more time. But each delay creates loss. The chance to speak your truth, the chance to try, the chance to love, all can vanish in silence. We comfort ourselves by saying we will do it tomorrow, but tomorrow often comes too late. Opportunities are like seeds carried by the wind. If you do not plant them when they arrive, they drift away. Delay weakens resolve. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to act. By the time courage arrives, the moment is gone. The lie of tomorrow convinces us that waiting is harmless, but waiting carries a heavy cost. It steals chances you may never see again. Every day is filled with small opportunities to grow, to speak, to act, to love. They are fragile and fleeting. To delay is to surrender them forever. Life rewards those who act, not those who wait endlessly. The path of wisdom teaches urgency, not in panic, but in presence. To act today is to honor the moment before it disappears. Delay steals opportunities, but presence creates them. The question is not what you will do tomorrow. The question is what you will do today, while the chance still exists. Tomorrow feeds the lie of procrastination. It tells you that you can wait and still win. It tells you that tomorrow will bring better energy, better timing, better courage. But tomorrow is only an excuse dressed as hope. Procrastination grows strong on this lie. It whispers that you are not ready, that conditions are not right, that later will be easier. But later never comes. The teachings remind us that the only real time we have is now. Procrastination steals today while promising tomorrow, but tomorrow is not guaranteed. Each time you choose to delay, the habit of delay becomes stronger. You train the mind to avoid action. You let fear disguise itself as planning. The lie of tomorrow keeps you in chains while life outside those chains passes by. Procrastination is costly because it takes not only your time, but also your trust in yourself. Each delay erodes self-belief, making it harder to act later. The truth is that no one ever feels completely ready. Readiness is born in action, not in waiting. When you take even a small step today, you begin breaking the hold of procrastination. The more you act, the weaker the lie of tomorrow becomes. The more you wait, the stronger it grows. Procrastination is not just about laziness, it is about fear and illusion. To win against it is to see through its disguise. Tomorrow is not the answer. Today is. Every moment you act, you reclaim life from the grip of procrastination. That is how freedom begins. Waiting costs more than failing today. Failure has lessons. Waiting has none. Failure may bring pain, but pain shapes strength. Waiting brings nothing but regret. The teachings remind us that mistakes are part of growth, but delay is the end of it. When you act and fail, you learn. You gain experience, resilience, and clarity. But when you wait endlessly, you lose time without return. Waiting feels safe, but it steals life silently. Many people wait their entire lives for the perfect moment that never arrives. They fear failure so deeply that they choose inaction, not realizing that inaction is the greatest failure of all. To wait is to trade the possibility of growth for the certainty of stagnation. Fear tells you it is better to wait than to try and fail. But wisdom shows the opposite. Trying and failing moves you forward. Waiting holds you still. Every failure carries a seed of wisdom. Every act brings you closer to truth. Waiting brings only emptiness. The cost of waiting is heavier than the cost of failure. When you fail, you can rise. When you wait, you never begin. Life rewards those who risk, not those who wait forever. To act today, even imperfectly, is to embrace growth. To wait for tomorrow is to waste what can never be returned. In the battle between failing today and waiting until tomorrow, failing is the greater victory. For in failure, you are still alive, still learning, still moving. Waiting is a slow death of possibility. Tomorrow hides behind comfort and fear. We tell ourselves that we are waiting for a better time, but often we are only avoiding discomfort. The comfort zone disguises itself as patience. Fear disguises itself as caution. Together, they create the illusion that tomorrow will be easier. But this is only delay wrapped in comfort. The teachings remind us that growth is always found in discomfort, never in delay. Fear wants us to avoid action. Comfort wants us to stay the same. Both whisper that tomorrow is wiser, but tomorrow is only their hiding place. The truth is that the right time is never easy. Action always feels uncomfortable. That discomfort is proof of growth. Waiting for tomorrow avoids discomfort, but also avoids growth. Fear convinces us we are protecting ourselves, but in truth we are only shrinking. Comfort convinces us that rest is deserved, but in truth we are only escaping. Tomorrow is the mask we wear to hide from courage. To remove the mask is to act today. Even if small, action shatters the illusion of tomorrow. Courage is not the absence of fear, it is action despite fear. Growth is not the absence of discomfort, it is progress despite discomfort. Tomorrow hides behind comfort and fear, but once you see through the disguise, it loses power. The path becomes clear. Act now, grow now, live now. Tomorrow is only an illusion that comfort and fear use to keep you still. But today is real, alive and waiting. Dreams die when action is postponed. A dream is like a flame. It burns bright when it is fed, but it fades when ignored. Postponing action is like starving the flame. Slowly it weakens until it disappears. The teachings remind us that every dream needs action as its breath. Without it, even the most beautiful vision fades into memory. Postponing may feel harmless at first, but over time, it kills the energy of the dream. The excitement that once felt alive turns into regret. Many carry dreams in their hearts but never act. They wait for tomorrow, believing there will be a better time. But each delay makes the dream weaker. The passion becomes quieter. The vision becomes distant. Dreams die not because they are impossible, but because they are neglected. Action keeps them alive. Even small steps keep the flame burning. Waiting suffocates it. Every dream asks the same question: will you act today? If the answer is always tomorrow, the dream will eventually disappear. Regret comes not from failing to achieve, but from failing to try. Dreams do not need perfection. They need courage. They do not need tomorrow. They need today. To act now is to honor the dream. To delay is to bury it. The choice is yours each day. Dreams are fragile. They cannot survive endless postponement. They live only in action. Feed them now or lose them forever. Tomorrow never arrives. Only today exists. We speak of tomorrow as if it were a place we can visit, but it never comes. When it arrives, it is already today. Tomorrow is a concept, not a reality. The teachings remind us that the present moment is the only true time we ever hold. Yet many live in tomorrow. They build plans but never act. They speak of change but never begin. Tomorrow is always close but forever out of reach. It is a promise that cannot be kept. The danger of living for tomorrow is that it makes us blind to today. We miss the life already happening. We miss the people beside us. We miss the chances that exist right now. Tomorrow distracts us while today waits quietly to be lived. To awaken is to see that tomorrow is a trick of the mind. It will never arrive as we imagine it. The only time we can act, love, and grow is today. Every moment we delay is a moment wasted in chasing an illusion. To break free is to embrace today fully. This does not mean abandoning future plans. It means understanding that the future is built only through present action. Tomorrow never comes. Today is everything. When we live this truth, life becomes clearer, simpler, and richer. We no longer wait for the perfect moment. We create it now. Tomorrow is a shadow. Today is the light. The lie of tomorrow makes time your enemy. When you believe you always have more time, you begin to waste it. You treat time as endless, forgetting its preciousness. The teachings remind us that time is life itself. To waste time is to waste life. Tomorrow feeds the illusion that time will wait for us, but time does not wait. It moves, with or without us. Each day lost cannot be returned. Each hour delayed is gone forever. When you trust tomorrow, you gamble with the most valuable resource you have. Time becomes your enemy because it keeps slipping while you stand still. You begin to fear age, regret, and lost chances. This fear grows not from time itself, but from the lie that told you tomorrow would always come. When you see time as precious, it becomes your ally. Every moment is used wisely, every choice matters. But when you believe in tomorrow, you waste today and then fear the loss of tomorrow. The greatest cost of the lie is that it turns time into something to fear instead of something to treasure. To make time your friend, you must act today. Use each hour fully. Live with awareness that time is short but precious. Tomorrow is not guaranteed, but this moment is here. The lie of tomorrow makes time your enemy, but the truth of today makes time your greatest gift. The choice is always in how you see it. Action today creates freedom tomorrow. This is the paradox. When you stop waiting for tomorrow and act now, you create the very future you hoped for. The teachings remind us that the seeds you plant today grow into tomorrow's harvest. Without planting, there can be no harvest. Action is planting. Waiting is emptiness. Every step you take today builds the life you will live later. If you delay, your future remains empty. If you act, your future becomes rich. Many believe tomorrow will save them, but tomorrow is only the fruit of today's labor. You cannot escape this truth. Action creates freedom. When you act today, you free yourself from regret. You free yourself from endless waiting. You free yourself from the burden of wasted time. Freedom is not given by tomorrow. It is created by the choices you make now. Each small action builds momentum. Each act of courage today makes tomorrow lighter. If you want freedom later, you must choose action now. Waiting binds you. Action frees you. The freedom you seek is not in some distant day, it is in what you do with this one. Act now, and tomorrow becomes your ally instead of your excuse. Believing in tomorrow is the costliest illusion. It steals today while promising what it cannot deliver. The greatest regrets are born from this illusion. People look back and see that they always thought there would be more time to love, to act, to grow, to live. But time never waited. The teachings remind us that illusion is the root of suffering. The illusion of tomorrow is one of the strongest. It convinces us that life can be postponed, but life cannot. It is only ever lived now. Believing in tomorrow costs everything: your dreams, your growth, your peace, your life. It is the most expensive lie because it steals what is priceless. The truth is simple but difficult. Tomorrow is not real. Only this moment is. To awaken is to see through the illusion and live now. To love now, to act now, to be present now. Once you stop believing in tomorrow, life becomes fuller. Every breath is appreciated. Every choice is intentional. Every moment is sacred. Illusion fades and reality shines. Believing in tomorrow is costly, but believing in today is freedom. That freedom is the greatest treasure life can offer, and it is here waiting for you to embrace it now.